welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 24th of December 2020 and currently time is 9:57 AM. So traders, now coming on to our watch list. Traders, there is getting some problem. Okay, now it got right. Okay traders, so coming on to our today's trade. Traders, I have taken a trade in HDFC, which was for a breakout of triangle pattern. When we entered, it showed a good momentum toward upside, but now it's again coming downside. Okay traders, so this is the trade which is going on. So traders, here it seems that price may get reversed from here. So I am thinking that I should trail my stop loss to protect my capital, as this is not showing a very good momentum for our target and it is trying to reverse. Okay traders, so now I am trailing my stop loss to this swing low, that is here. This is a swing low. I am modifying or placing my order. Okay traders, so our order has been sent. It will be executed. Okay, so it has been modified. So traders, we have now trailed our stop loss to this swing low, which is in the 1 minute time frame. So if price breaks this, there are chances that the momentum will be reversed for the downside. So why we should book more loss. Okay traders, so now the trade is going on, and if price now goes upside, I will trail my stop loss to our cost price. Okay traders, so now I am pausing the video. When it will show some momentum, I will update you. So traders, you can see here that price is again facing some resistance over here. So what we are doing now is that we will trail our stop loss to our cost price to protect our capital. Okay traders, so I'm modifying my order. Okay, so our stop loss has been trailed to our cost price. So now we have no fear for any kind of loss, and now we are waiting for the price to show some momentum. Okay traders, so I will update you after some time. Well, so traders, here you can see that price is trying to go upside, but you can see traders, since today is Thursday, it is trying to get more consolidated, and now I'm thinking that I should trail my stop loss more. So traders, I am trailing my stop loss to this swing low. Okay traders, so at least we can book some profit to pay our brokerage. Okay traders, so done. Here you can see traders that I have trailed my stop loss, failed to modify. Let me again try it. No problem traders, so I'm dragging it and sending my order. Okay, so we have sent our order. Now we are waiting. So traders, okay, we have exited our trade. You can see, no problem traders, we had booked our trail stop loss, no problem in that. So let's see. So traders, we have booked our trail stop loss at here. You can see this is totally fine. We have got some profit to pay our brokerage. So now let's calculate the profit, very small profit which we had booked today. So let me open the calculator. Okay traders, so our quantities were 7 and the points which we had booked is 3.95. So our today's profit is 27 rupees, which is good to pay our brokerage at least. We have not booked any loss today, so that's totally fine and very good for us being a day trader. So trader, this was our today's trading video. Hope you learned something from it and enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.